Hello, my name is Ed Gomes, and this is the presentation for my final project for EDP 643. So as you can see here, this is the home page that had been turned in previously. Um, the philosophy page that I had done before, and then this is the page for my blog. It's got the introductory paragraph, and then with the link for the blog right here, as well as a way for people to connect with me through via Twitter. And I know that my camera is covering part of the paragraph here. Um, this is my web page for how to use new Google Sites. So I have an introduction. I have my video on how to create a new Google site, some best practices, and some troubleshooting ideas with an image. I have a similar pattern for how to use quizzes. I have the links on purchasing, or not purchasing, but downloading the apps from the Apple Store or Google Play. And then video, best practices, and troubleshooting. Um, Similar thing with student achievement, where the spreadsheet is embedded. And a link here for you, Dr. Dickey, to see the actual formula if you need to see that. A summary, I actually did a survey with the teachers at my school using Google Forms. So these are the results from the survey here. These images were actually uploaded with an explanation of why I decided to build the website the way that I did. And then the final presentation, which I'm recording right now. And then the favorite resources is a tab that was here for the original website assignment, and I just decided to leave it here as the last part. Um, Google Sites is pretty easy to use, so there wasn't really much difficulty in doing it. Just a couple of problems I ran into is I had a hard time embedding the survey results in here, so that's why I decided to go with print screens and uploading the images that way. Besides that, the project was fairly manageable to do, and I didn't have any major issues.